Hi, this is Rakesh Rana watching Royal Technology. If your MS Office is also again and again asking for activation, so this video is for you. So in this video, we'll show you how you can activate your MS Office again. So let's see how we can fix. So just go to this PC, open C drive, and then go to Program and Files. Then over here MS Office, this folder we have a few other folder also like MS Office 15. Don't open this MS Office, this first folder. Once open, then over here Office 16, and here OSPPREARM. So this is a exe file. So if you see here file extension, so this is a exe file. You need a admin privilege for this, so make sure you have the admin privilege. Right click on the file and run as administrator. So you have to click on yes. So this will take some time, so repeat this same thing 2 to 3 times. So I'm doing it. This is the second time, and this is the third time. Same file you have to run as administrator 3 to 4 times. If you want, you can run it one more time also if it is not happening. Then once done, we can close and check the file whether we are able to access any Word or Excel file or not. So let me see. I already have a file on desktop. So as you can see, it is accessible, and let me save something here. Okay, so let me save it. As you can see, I have saved, and let me reopen and check whether it is successfully saved or not. So yes, it is saved. So it is working fine. So if you are facing any other issue, do let me know in the comment. We'll reply to all the comments. If you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.